the phenomenal singing duo, Jamel!
Don't you dare just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance to me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance to me. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's go. Your victims are a chemical, physical kryptonite, helpless to the face in a faded light. Oh, we're bound to be together, bound to be together. She's in my arms, I don't know how it happened. She took the blow and she said, oh, don't you dare let that, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance to me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance to me. Let's go, Jam! Oh, that this dress has been made of snakes. Riding so time, Juliet, teenage dream. I think in my chest that she lives at me. I know you are bound to be together, bound to be together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. She took the blow and she said, oh, don't you dare let that, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance to me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance to me. Oh, come on, baby. Deep in her eyes, I think I see the future. I realize this is my last chance. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. She took the blow and she said, come on, 2, 3, go, 1, 2.
That's right.
Don't you tell me, just keep your eyes on me. I said the whole night, this is shut up and dance to me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance. Don't you dare let that, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance to me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh,
shock factor that I want to. This one's for the mood girls and good girls. They masterpieces. Silent, violent, living it up in the city. Get shots on the silver rock. Gonna kiss this love so pretty. Too high, hot damn. Got a police and a fireman. Too high, hot damn. With the dragon water retirement. Too high, hot damn. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too high, hot damn. I'm a bad money. Break it down. Girl said you hallelujah. Girl said you hallelujah. Girl said you hallelujah. It's all down, gonna give it to ya. It's all down, gonna give it to ya. It's all down, gonna give it to ya. Saturday night we in this spot. Don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch. Alright. Don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch. Hey, 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 oh, stop. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some liquor in it. Take a sip, sign a check. Hoo-yah, get a stretch. That's a Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. If we show up, we're gonna show up. Smooth like the fresh got skipping. Too hot, hot damn. Got a police and a fireman. Too hot, hot damn. We can drive the water and fireman. Too hot, hot damn. You say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot, hot damn. I'm a bow. Break it down. Girl said you hallelujah. Girl said you hallelujah. Girl said you hallelujah. Top down, come give it to ya. The top down, come give it to ya. Top down, come give it to ya. Saturday night, we in the spot. Don't believe it, just watch. Hey! Don't believe it, just watch. 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 Funk you up. Come on,
Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. That's right.
I said,
Uptown, funk you up.
uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up.
Let's go.
Come on, dance, jump on it. If you're sexy, then on it. If you're freaky, then on it. I've been bagging out, then on it. Come on, dance, jump on it. If you're sexy, then on it. When it's not a night, we get this right.
Don't believe it, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh!
Get down, wow! Hello po! Maayong gabi eh. Good evening and magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ay, ano ba? Wala pa po. Makahain na po muna kami sa ating mga kababayan.
Yes.
Ayan.
Ako na si Mariel, once again, gikan ko og Cebu, kasi mga Cebuanos na rin!
Dagan nyo kayo Cebu.
Yes.
Naging tiga Cebu din. Ako po tiga Davao. Nabo ba yung tiga Davao? Ay, nabo natin tiga Davao. Hello po.
Kasi taga-tabugon dire!
Yes! Alright, daghan kayo salamat sa inyong mga presensya, no? Maraming salamat po for being here and for having us para sa inyong celebration po. This very wonderful cause, right, Jay?
Tinuod yun na, grabe makahappy nga, makakita mo yung mga kababayan nato din, no? Sa tanang mga Bisaya, grabe ginawa, no? Hello po, maayong gabi kanyang tanang. Pero, medyo na ano lang po kami talaga, medyo na nanibago lang kami talaga. Kasi nga, gabi na nga pala, no? Ayun. Sus, Ginoo. Ang hirap.
Oo, ang haba ng araw.
Oo, kaya...
I-share lang po natin.
Oo.
Kagabi, anong oras na ba kami pumasok? 10:30 na ata. Pero may araw pa rin.
Totoo.
Na ano kami? Na, ano bang tamang term doon? Opo, na-amaze. Tapos, nanibago rin at the same time. Kasi nga, hindi, wala sa Pilipinas yung ganun eh. Sobrang lamig dito.
Ano ba?
At nag-sleepless pa talaga ako. Ang galing. Ayan.
Hindi naman marinig.
Ano, nasa screen tayo, JM?
Uy!
Hi, screen!
Hindi, nag-hi man siya kay Madam. Oh, ha, tago na si Madam.
Bisaya po ba ito si Mom?
Okay naman po, hindi naman kayo naiinitan dyan. Okay naman. Oo, pero muna, maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap sa amin, sa mainit na pagtanggap kahit sobrang lamig dito, no? Ayan, pinaramdam niyo po
Sleepless
sa...
pa ako.
Oo.
Very good.
Pinaramdam niyo po kung gaano kainit ang pagtanggap niyo sa amin. Maraming
Right.
salamat. Alright?
The question is, do you want more?
Yeah!
Alright, so since you want more, allow us to serenade you with some beautiful songs po na prepare po namin mula pa sa Pilipinas. Oo, kasi nga, di ba po, nanggaling pa kami sa Tawag ng Tanghalang Duet. So we will be singing some duets, some of our favorite duet songs para po sa inyong lahat. And I'm sure na marami sa inyo ang may alam na mga kantang to. So please, sabayan niyo po kami. Alright, here we go.
Boyfriend niya sila. Friend lang. Friend lang. Pero nagduda din na kuya, pero... Katawa ko siya, mama, kay... Hindi ko na sila hotel, no? Kaya ram na sa sampog sa kuha. Kaya ingon hero sila niya, ikuha na lang, hotel. Ingon na siya, bukon, tikagin, basta idong mo na sila.
So I love you every night, just let's ride, just let's ride. If the world said I wanna be next to you, if the world said I
Thank you guys. Nagustuhan niyo po ba yun?
Yeah!
Maraming salamat po. So, eto na nga po, no, wag na po natin patagalin since ito na nga po kami ni Mariel. Ngayon po ay bibigyan kayo ng isang napagandang medley song. Ayan po, from Mariel. Palakpakan natin everyone.
Thank you, Jay. And Ben will be back later. Now this time, sino po ba dito mga fans ni Adele? Marami po tayo. So, sabayan niyo po ako dito sa kantang to. So I won't let you close enough to hurt me. No, I won't ask you to just desert me. I can give you what you think you gave me. It's time to say goodbye. So I won't let you close enough to hurt me. No, I won't ask you to just desert me. I can give you what you think you gave me. It's time to say goodbye. To turn tables, to turn tables, to turn tables. You've been on my mind. I go thunder every day, losing myself in time. Just thinking of your
Ito, save po namin.
I don't understand, 'cause I've been here before. Every feeling, every word, I'll imagine it all. You never know if you never try to forget your past and simply be mine. I dare you to let me be your one and only. I promise I won't leave until the end starts. And one life you had on every word I said to yourself in time. Whichever road I choose, you go. So I dare you to let me be your one only. I promise I'm worthy to hold in your arms. So come on, come on, come on. To prove I am the one who can walk the line until the Maraming salamat po. I will be back with more songs with JM. Now it's his turn. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. JM De La Serna.
Alright, palakpakan naman po natin Miss Mariel Monteriana, everyone. Napakagaling po, di ba? Okay, so ngayon ako naman po ang maghandog ng medley song. Ayan, ito lang po ay galing kay Michael Bolton. Ayan, so if you know the song, huwag po kayong mayang makikanta sa akin, okay? So, let's sing together. Let's play the music, so thank you so much.
Hello, Steph!
Ay, bakla!
Wish you were here, Ma.
I wish you were here, Steph.
Oo ba?
Oo ba? Iyak na yan, si Steph. Iyak.
They said you were leaving, someone swept your heart away. And the look on your face, I see it's true. So
Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Hindi ko naabutan si Maria. Yes. Dapat kasi nag-day off ka step. Wow ba? How am I supposed to live without you? Wow ba?
Tayo na to siya. Salamat po sa patala. Maraming thank you sa tala. Papa Ian will be here soon. Ian Veneracion will be here soon. Thank you po sa patala. Paborito ka tayo lang dito tayo, ha? Ha? But I lie. Pinsong daw yan ng Pilipino eh. This is when I don't feel inside. Hello po from Qatar. Hello po from New Zealand. Hello, thank you po sa patala. Hello po from Bulacan. Thank you po for watching. Hello po from Lebanon. Hello po from Santa Lucia, Laguna. Woo! Hello po from Dubai. Hello po from Rorong, Rizal. Hello po from California. Cagayan de Oro, hello po. Hello po from Iloilo, Angelina. Hello po Bing Fei from Cairns, France. Hello po from San Andres, Quezon. Lupit! Thank you for watching. Double. Hello po from Japan. Hello po from Bohol. Hello po from Florida, USA. Hello po from Caloocan. Hello po from Canada. Hello po from USA. Hello. Hello po from Bacolod. Hello po from Laguna. Hello po from Philippines. Hello sis Cynthia. Hello po from Batangas. Thank you po for watching. Woo! Grabe! Hello po from Tarlac. Hello po from Ormoc. Hello po from Cainta, Rizal. Hello po from Pampanga. Thank you din po for watching. Hello po from Caloocan, from Macau. Hello po. Woo! Jamel sis. Oh my God! Woo! Hello po from Palawan.
Maraming salamat po. Heart nyo naman.
Hello po from Bacolod.
Partners, Mariel Mataliana, everyone. Palakpakan lang po natin.
Jay, ang talasar na. Grabe man. Wala namang ganun doon.
Hello po from Ilocos.
Pag kinanta mo
Hello po from Zambales.
Nababuta na po sa video. Yeah, thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga nakikanta.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hi,
And
Steph!
right now, we'd like to change the mood of our
Watching
music.
from
So,
UK.
kanina po medyo mahaba-haba yung ano
Ayan na
natin.
si Mariel!
Deadly.
Steph! Ayan na si Mariel!
Bax,
Nandiyan na siya! Bax, andito na po
Okay
siya,
lang ba?
Bax.
Is it okay if we ask for participation from our guests? Can we all stand?
Oo, syempre, dito tayo para magsaya, di ba? Let's go! Can we all stand, guys?
And maybe choose a partner, get a partner?
Yeah! And let's go!
Yeah. Here we go!
Ayan, naghanap na sila. Let's go, let's go! Let's sing together.
That's right. Come closer, come on.
Hello po from
Salamat po.
Parang next year, iimbitahan ulit nila tayo, JM. Para mas maraming gano'n.
Pero maraming salamat po once again sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon. Sa lahat po ng mga bumili ng tickets.
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys, for all your presence here tonight. Tonight. May araw pa kasi.
Don't get confused.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much, and we appreciate all your efforts and presence here tonight. Thank you. My accent. Tusentak.
Yeah.
No way.
Sasentak.
Tusentak.
Naging assignment po namin yung kahapon. Hanggang kaninang nagayos kami.
Yeah.
Alright, so once again, maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Kalayaan Norge Oscold. Para maging concert for a cause na ito. At salamat po sa pag-imbita po sa amin na maging part po ng inyong cause. We wish to sing more pa po for everyone, pero marami pa rin po tayong mga guest performers,
Yes,
right?
may artist din tayo na for sure inaabangan nyo na rin, no?
Alright, here's one of our pieces from Tawag ng Tanghalan Duets. We sang this sa grand finals naman. And kahit nasa mga bundok area tayo,
Yes.
i-feel
Kahit walang
natin.
dagat dito ngayon.
Yes. Doon pa sa may
Doon pa
effort.
kasi.
So, sana po magustuhan niyo. Here's something from Celine Dion.
Wow! Generous si bakla nagpapang pa siya.
Nagtatala sila.
Box, wala ka dito box. Sign box. 7. Kano yan? Bawasan pa ng taxi.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That's how I know you.
Galing nila. Thank you po everyone for watching. Please stay tuned for Ian Veneracion.